Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tobias and today we are going to unbox a Nighthaunt Scriptor Mortis. And yeah, let's start. Removing some plastic foil here. And now we just have to get the box open. Always a bit tricky with these ones, especially this time. A little nice detail here with a Nighthaunt symbol. Let's just see, we've got a base there too. And we've got some Scriptor Mortis parts here. And a little assembly guide. The Scriptor Mortis, and yeah, it's going up this way, so yeah, here you can see how it's going to be assembled. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.